Swanson's Salisbury steak dinner epitomizes the classic TV dinner, delivering generous portions and effortless preparation. Its satisfying flavors have secured its status as a family favorite, particularly for those prioritizing convenience. Similarly, Banquet's fried chicken dinner rose to fame for its affordable price and comforting taste, becoming the ideal meal for hectic weeknights. The combination of crispy chicken and creamy sides conjures cherished memories for many. In addition, Stuffed Pepper's TV dinners offered a wholesome option, featuring seasoned beef and rice enveloped in a tangy sauce. This simplicity resonated with families in need of quick yet satisfying meals. Stouffer's turkey tetrazzini gained popularity during the 1970s, serving as an affordable and comforting meal choice for families. Its enticing blend of turkey, creamy sauce, pasta, and peas made it a staple. Equally delightful, Libbyland's Pirate Picnic brought excitement to the dinner table with its fun pirate theme. It included fried chicken, corn, mashed potatoes, and chocolate pudding, creating a memorable dining experience. Furthermore, Swanson's Mexican-style TV dinner introduced a taste of Tex-Mex cuisine to many homes. Featuring enchiladas, refried beans, and Spanish rice, its affordability and convenience made it a popular choice. Banquet's chicken and dumplings were a beloved dish among families in the 1970s, providing a filling meal at a budget-friendly price. This hearty combination became a staple during family TV time. In a similar vein, Swanson's barbecue chicken dinner served as a convenient option for busy families, offering a savory fusion of chicken and accompanying side dishes, reflecting a time of familial bonding. Stouffer's macaroni and cheese endures as a cherished comfort food, renowned for its creamy texture and robust flavor. This dish evokes nostalgia while remaining a favored choice for many today. Moreover, Banquet sausage and egg breakfast provided a quick and hassle-free morning meal, making it a staple for busy individuals and families in the past. Its convenience played a significant role in its widespread popularity. Swanson's spaghetti and meatballs dinner emerged as an icon in the 1970s, celebrated for its hearty flavors and easy preparation. It became a common choice for families, often enjoyed in front of the television. The resurgence of interest in nostalgic foods highlights a collective yearning for simpler times. Modern versions of these classic meals now surface in specialty stores, connecting newer generations to past culinary experiences. The Swanson meatloaf dinner was notably popular, priced at just 80 cents, making it accessible to numerous families. It featured meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans, embodying simplicity and satisfaction. Furthermore, Stouffer's scalloped chicken and noodles showcased a blend of flavors and a creamy sauce, capturing the era's fascination with quick meals. This dish became a staple for families seeking comforting options. Banquet's fish sticks dinner, a favorite in the 1970s, offered a convenient meal featuring crispy fish sticks and French fries. This dish represents modern living while catering to the needs of busy lifestyles. As consumer habits evolve, frozen meals like Swanson's fried shrimp dinner have become increasingly rare in stores, reflecting a shift toward healthier eating preferences. This change emphasizes the ongoing transformation in food choices. Notably, beef stroganoff maintains its appeal due to its comforting taste and affordable price, appealing to families seeking quick meal solutions. Its persistent presence showcases a blend of nostalgia and practicality. Finally, TV dinners like Stouffer's lasagna illustrate the changing lifestyle of Americans who prioritize convenience without compromising flavor. These meals continue to evoke fond memories for those who enjoyed them in the past.